Get ready to indulge in the ultimate summer delight, homemade lobster rolls. Y'all, this is so good. Make sure you're having fun in the kitchen. Turn on some tunes, dance, and have a good time. This will make your food taste so much better. Okay. So first you want to start off with prepping your veggies, your celery, fresh dill. The seasonings that I'm using today is one of my fave companies, Rockstar Blends. Y'all, these seasons are top tier. You better get you some. I got the Crowd Surfer and the keys for my homemade lobster rolls today. Then we want to butterfly your lobster tails and season them with the Rockstar Blends Crown Surfer. In a large pan, melt the butter over medium-high heat. Add your garlic to your butter once melted and then your lobster tails. Saute the lobster tails for 5 minutes. Squeeze some lemon juice on top as they're sauteing in the pan. You want to make sure you're also constantly flipping the lobster tails. Cook them for 2 minutes on each side. And then we want to give this a nice butter bath. Baste the pan juices over the lobsters. Once it's cooked, you want to take it off the heat. But do y'all see that? Come on, butter bath. Moment of silence for this lobster that I'm about to devour. Praise the Lord. Okay, so now we need to combine our mayo mixture. You want to stir it well to combine the ingredients. Once we combine those ingredients, which will be listed in the description box below, add the chopped lobster meats to the bowl and gently fold it into the mayo mixture until the lobster is evenly coated. But y'all be careful not to overmix to maintain the lobster's texture. We don't want to waste our coin. All right, now that we have our toasted bun, you want to spoon in your lobster mixture into the buns. Distribute it evenly, okay? Don't be stingy. And then we're gonna garnish it with some lemon juice and then some more fresh dill. And that's it, y'all. Enjoy. And as y'all can see, baby, I was excited, okay? I had to do a whole little dance. I had to do a whole little 1-2 step. I was so excited to eat this lobster roll. So make sure you definitely grab Rockstar Blends seasonings to make it exactly how I made it. You guys will enjoy this recipe. And until next time, y'all be blessed. Enjoy.